The Garmin Forerunner 55 GPS running smartwatch review. Sold by Everway Group. Introducing the Garmin Forerunner 55, the ultimate GPS running smartwatch designed for runners of all levels. This lightweight smartwatch monitors heart rate at the wrist and tracks your runs with precise GPS accuracy. With just a press of a button, you can start tracking your time, distance, speed, and more effortlessly. Stay active all day with activity tracking that counts your steps, calories, sleep, and more. Get personalized workout suggestions based on your training history, fitness level, and recovery time. You can also benefit from Garmin Coach training plans, offering expert guidance for 5K, 10K, or half-marathon goals. Plan your race day strategy with Pace Pro, providing GPS-based pace guidance for your chosen course or distance. Enhance your training with tools like race time predictions and finish time estimates. Track various activities with built-in profiles for running, cycling, swimming, yoga, and more. And receive on-screen guidance from expert coaches with Garmin Coach training plans. Plan your race day strategy with Pace Pro, offering GPS-based pace guidance. Tune into your body with advanced wellness features like body battery energy monitoring. Automatically upload activities to Garmin Connect and customize your watch with Connect IQ Store. The Garmin Forerunner 55 is a superb choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use running smartwatch. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your performance, the Forerunner 55 provides excellent value for money. Now is your time.